This video is powered by Oxygen. Hello guys, welcome to Polytechnic, and today is an emotional day for me because I just realized how sweet, supportive, beautiful, cute, and you guys are the best and bestest subscribers in the world, and I feel so happy and grateful to have you all in my 50,000 plus YouTube family, and just want to say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Samsung Galaxy S. Samsung Galaxy S23.
ആരെ ബസ്സിലെടുത്ത്
Galaxy
ഏ
ചുമക്കലടി പട്ടി.
ഓ ഞാൻ എല്ലാം പഠിച്ചേടാ.
Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra.
ഒന്നുകൂടി ലാസ്റ്റ്.
So once again, welcome, and if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure you subscribe to our channel. So today we are going to unbox one of the latest additions to the Samsung family, a Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. This is my first unboxing video of a Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So inside the box, we have the phone, the SIM card ejector, the C2C type cable, but they don't have the adapter. Well, I'm not sure if that's a good thing because we are paying so much. That's almost 1.5 lakhs for this phone, but still they don't give an adapter. I think it's a bad influence from iPhone, but still it's not cool, guys. It's not cool. Chengadi nannayal konnadi venda. Now about the phone, it has a very nice feel to it. It looks like it just had a Moroccan bath or something because it's very smooth. If you don't know what a Moroccan bath is, there's a lot of scrub involved, okay? Anyway, there's a smooth and the sides and everything, it's aluminum. So it looks nice and sleek. It feels very solid and it's not very slippery or anything. It just stays in your hand. And if you're still wondering what it's gonna actually feel like or look like, it looks exactly like the S22 Ultra. So we have Gorilla Glass on this side, which is like pretty good. And again, on the back side, we have Gorilla Glass Victus 2, which is matte finish. Now talking about the display, it's got a 6.8 inches dynamic AMOLED display. The ports and buttons are almost the same. Actually, they are the same on S22 and S23, which means they are like identical twins. And on a serious note, guys, there is no 3.5 mm jack. Jack, Rose is waiting for you. Jack! Jack, come back, Jack! There goes my wired headphones. It's only gonna be a memory. Jack. But don't worry, guys. We have the C-type port, which means you can just buy that cable and then connect the jack. Jack! Now let's open up the SIM tray and see what's inside. Okay. So this is what it looks like. It's got a nano SIM tray and it supports eSIM. Let's put it back. They have a stereo speaker, they have the mic here, and then the left side is completely left plain, yet it looks very sleek, and they have the power button and the volume button over here. And talking about the display, I think it remains pretty much the same, but the brightness has actually increased, I feel. It has 1750 nits at peak brightness and also 120 Hertz refresh rate. The curvature on this phone is perfect, and as you can see, there are no side bezels and very minimal top bezels over here, as you can see. It has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which means it is a powerhouse. It's good for gaming, multitasking, any heavy task. The phone won't slow down at any moment, that's for sure. It's a processor used in flagship phones, and one thing about the processor is that it is made for Galaxy. We have here a 12 GB RAM with an external storage of 256 GB, and there are three options for the external storage, which is 256 GB, 512 GB and 1 TB. And coming to the software, the One UI 5.1 software is a very powerful software. You get 4 major updates on this. In fact, it gets 5 years of security updates, which means for this cost, you can actually use this phone to almost 4, 5 or maybe even more years easily. It has IP68 certification, which means even if it falls in water, it'll still survive, guys. I mean, it's waterproof, it's dustproof, just like me. I mean, I just took a bath. Now let's talk about the S Pen. I think it's a very good option because if you're somebody like me, like I like to scribble things when I'm bored or even when I'm taking notes, I like to put my own handwriting on the screen and take screenshots, send it to my friends. Probably, it's something that I really love. So this is a very good thing. It's a plus. Now it's time for the drum rolls. It's time to talk about the main feature of this phone, the camera. So the primary sensor is 200 MP and secondary is 12 MP ultra wide and 10 MP telephoto and 10 MP periscope lens. This gives you a 10x zoom, guys. And that, my dear friend, that feature is gonna make your long distance relationship last forever. I'm gonna zoom all the way to my house and see what my husband's doing. The selfie is 12 MP. You will also be able to shoot 4K at 60 FPS. You also get HDR10 plus videos and 8K videos. So guys, and a lot of rumor about, a lot of debate has been going around about this phone being able to click the moon picture with so much of precision. And apparently they have used AI features, which means the minute it recognizes a moon, it actually inserts a few elements of the moon and replaces AI version of the moon onto the picture, which I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing. Now let's get out and see how this phone actually works.
This is the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and I'm loving the front camera. Me being a vlogger, there are times when I have to vlog everything on my phone camera, front camera.
And guess what? I love it, as you can see. And I think the best part about it is the zoom lens, because I just started zooming and I think it can just go on forever, which is also a great thing. But that feature is not available in the video section. Probably they can add that too. That'll be great. Let's take a moment to give a shout out and a big thank you to the sponsor of today's episode, which is Oxygen. I think they are amazing and they have showrooms in Kerala. You should check out. They have mobile phones, laptops, home appliances, all kinds of cool gadgets, and these people are also very sweet. They gave us this phone too. And if you're planning to check out their store in Kerala, make sure you use my code, which is Pearly1000. When you use this code, you get a discount of 1,000 rupees. That doesn't mean you can buy something for 300 and ask for the rest of the money back. Anyway, thank you so much, Oxygen. I love you. So that's all, guys, today. I just wanted to say that this phone actually justifies the price. But if you have a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, then I would say don't get this phone because it's pretty much the same. But if you have a Samsung S21 or S20, I think it's time to upgrade to a 23 because this is a keeper. And like I said, you can use it for the next 3 or 5 years because it comes with all the beautiful updates and I love the software, and I'm gonna start using this phone, and the best part about it, the S Pen. Anyway, write your comments below, write everything that you want to write and send it to me. I would love to read your comments. Also, make sure you subscribe to our channel. It'll mean a lot to us because this is a new channel, this being probably the 4th episode on the channel. My voice is almost gone because I love you guys. I love you. Bye. Make sure you subscribe. Bye!